Hello and welcome to Mitch Madness. Remember to like and subscribe for more cool stuff. This is episode 2 of the van series. This is a short one. I'm just trying to get us all caught up to where we are now. Most of this is going to show projects that were done quite some time ago. I really don't remember when. I demoed the interior and brought it back to just a bare, noisy, empty van some years ago. Most of the stuff was hauled off to the dump, but of course I had to do a ceremonial burning of some of it. I did a lot of rust repair work on the inside. I previously did some redneck rust repair using flashing and caulk. I tore this out, cut the rust out appropriately, and then welded in steel patch panels. I'm not a very good welder, but all of this came out fine. This past summer, I insulated the walls with insulation board and adhesive. You can see where I used some 2x to hold the ceilings in place overnight while the adhesive dried, and I installed some furring strips on the ceiling panels to help hold the insulation panels in place permanently. I repaired the cracks in the engine cover and replaced the insulation inside of it, and finally, moving up to just in March of this year, I had a nice stainless steel turbo muffler installed to replace the old one that was blown out. Alright, that's it for this episode. At this point, I'm caught up with old stuff and things that might be out of context chronologically. From now on, I should be able to drop new episodes as I do stuff. Thanks for watching.